Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name servers on Hostinger. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and search for Hostinger in the search bar. From the results, tap on the first link as shown here, and you will be redirected to the official website of Hostinger. Now, as I am using a free plan, so I will just walk you through the process. First of all, you need to log in to your account and then tap on Domains from the top. Next, you need to select the domains which you like to change the name servers. And after that, click on Change in the Name Server section of the Domain Information tab. Here, we'll see two options. You can either use Hostinger name servers or you can use your own name servers. After putting your information, you need to click on Save to continue. And after that, your name server will be changed.